Hello there, students! How are you today? It's me, Mr. Bach. Are you ready to play? In this lesson, we'll play along to the classical notes for this song. For classical notes, you'll do just fine if you see if the dots are in a space or on the line. Want to give it a try? Let's play some more! Count off with Mr. Zach from 1 to 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. C, 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 D. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, 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 D. Again. 2, 3, 4. C, 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 D. 1 more time now. C, 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 D. Great job. Let's go to measure 2.
Keep it up.
Over here we have half notes that are open on the inside. E, hold, D, hold. Your turn. Here again. 1, 2, ready, go. E, hold, D, hold. 1 more time now. E, hold, D, hold. Let's go to measure 3. Look at this.
Chicken nuggets.
And 1, 2, ready, go. C, E, D, D. A little more tricky. 1, 2, ready, go. C, E, D, D. 1 last time now. C, E, D, D. And then the last measure is the easiest, and all you have to do is hold it down for 4 whole beats. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. C, 2, 3, 4. Again. 2, hold it down. C, 2, 3, 4, and lift off. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. C, 2, 3, 4, and off. Now, do you see this right here? Remember, when you see 2 dots at the end, it means you play the song again. These are called a repeat sign, and they mean you play the song 2 times. Let's go back to the start and play one more time. Here we go.
Feather up.
1, 2, ready, go. With C, 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 D. Then, let's go right to measure 2 for E, 2, D, 2. And then measure 3, C, E, D, D. And then the last measure of the song, C, 2, 3, 4. Give yourselves a round of applause. Bravo. And on the count of 3, let's be playful. 1, 2, 3. Let's be playful. Great job.
That was magnificent, and a classical congratulations to you.